Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the app and going straight to Settings. Once there, choose Playback or Accessibility so you can access subtitle controls. Make sure you have your SRT or VTT file accessible on device storage or in a linked cloud folder. If the app lists subtitle tracks, note the current selection before changing it. You're doing this to ensure the next steps change text timing and encoding correctly, not just visual style. Now move to Loading, or selecting the external subtitle track. You load the external subtitle file via Load Subtitle or Add External Track. Once selected, make sure the encoding is set to UTF-8 to avoid garbled characters and choose the correct frame rate when that option appears. Then apply a small offset. Use milliseconds to align dialogue to speech. Increase or decrease by 250-500 ms as needed. Once done, play a short clip and watch for misalignment. If text appears too fast or too slow, repeat small offset tweaks, and you finalize by saving the track or enabling it as the default subtitle option so it loads automatically next time. Make sure to set readable font size, color, and background contrast. If the app offers style settings, apply them now so subtitles remain visible on all scenes. If subtitles fail to appear, clear the app cache and reload the file or convert the file to a different format, VTT or UTF-8. SRT. If timing is off after conversion, reapply small offset adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.